Air combat has always been a race of technology. From proven reality to imagined future, two generations confront each other. In 2005, the F-22 became the symbol of U.S. air dominance. Designed for invisibility, the Raptor nearly disappears from enemy radar. Supercruise lets the F-22 sustain supersonic flight without afterburners. Vector thrust engines give the Raptor unmatched agility in close combat. In the vast expanse of the skies, an unseen ballet unfolds, where vigilance is paramount.
The F-22 Raptor, unchallenged in its domain, ensures aerial dominance.
In combat drills, the Raptor dominates older generation fighters with ease.
The F-22 stands as the proven benchmark of fifth-generation air combat. Imagined as the sixth generation, the F-47 embodies tomorrow's ambitions.
Envisioned to exceed Mach 3, the F-47 outpaces any defense in minutes.
Directed energy weapons could disable missiles or blind enemy systems instantly. Loyal wingman drones could extend reach and multiply the firepower of a single fighter. Artificial intelligence may soon take command, with or without a human pilot.
The F-47 leads the charge, a vanguard of precision and power.
The F-47 represents a vision of what the sixth generation may become. Mach 2 for the Raptor, but Mach 3 and beyond for the imagined successor. The Raptor relies on missiles, while the future fighter may unleash energy weapons. One is flown by a pilot, the other may fight entirely on its own.
The F-22 is reality. The F-47 remains vision.
If you enjoyed this journey, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.